So in this video, we are going to start the next concept, which is called as mean precipitation. So give the heading as mean precipitation. So what is the meaning of mean? Mean means it is an average value. Okay. So we have to find out the average value of precipitation. So to understand this, let's first draw a catchment area. So this is an area. Okay. So in this area, to measure the precipitation, we have deployed 5 rain gauge stations. Okay, so we have discussed what is the meaning of rain gauge and what is the use of rain gauge. So what is the use of rain gauge? Rain gauge is used to measure the precipitation values. So let's say the precipitation value at rain gauge 1 is P1, it is P2, P3, P4 and P5 respectively. Okay, so these are the values of precipitation. So if I ask you what is the precipitation, or we can say what is the precipitation in the total area. So when we are talking about the P1 is giving us the value at this point. Okay, what the rainfall which is occurring at this point is given by P1. Similarly, P2 is giving the rainfall value in this region and the remaining one also in their specific area. But if I want to get the total precipitation, or we can say what is the precipitation over this entire region, then how to calculate it? So to calculate that, we will be using certain methods and we'll be using certain methods and the precipitation of this overall catchment area is called as the mean precipitation. Okay, so just to take an example of certain values, so let's say that this P1 is 10 centimeter, this P2 is also 10 centimeter, P3 is 11 centimeter, P4 is 11 centimeter and this P5 is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so you can see now at this point it is 10 centimeter of rainfall, here 10 centimeter, but here it is 11 and 11 centimeter. So if I want to find out what is the average precipitation over the entire area, see, whenever we are talking, if I just say that this is Maharashtra area, okay, so a state in India. So if I ask you what is the average rainfall in Maharashtra, so what will be your answer? Will it be 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter or 10.5 centimeter? So it will depend upon the calculation of this value, that is mean precipitation. I hope you are getting it. So we have to convert these point values. At various stations into an average value over catchment. Okay, so that is the main objective here. So let's write it down. The main objective is to convert the point rainfall values into an average value over catchment. Okay, so this is the main objective. Now how to find out this mean precipitation or the average value? So this we have to find out average value. So to find out this average value, we are going to use 3 methods. So to find this average value, we will use 3 methods. Now what are the 3 methods? The first method is the most easiest method, that is called as arithmetic mean method. The second method is somewhat more accurate than this arithmetic mean method, and it is called as Thiessen polygon method. So THIESSEN, Thesan polygon method. And the last one, it is called as isohytal method. Isohytal method. So by using these three methods, we are going to find out what? We are going to find out the average value of catchment. I hope this is clear. So from the next video, we will start the one by one each method from the arithmetic mean method.